Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my Archer and olive that I use for work. Hold on, I'm like crooked here. And this week I decided I would combine Create with Mandy's Autumn Rainbows with her painted pumpkins, and then somehow bring in Ali's sunflowers and her sage alcohol ink and some washi. It feels like it's just kind of like a, I'm going to say the word higgledy-piggledy type of spread, but I'm looking forward to seeing how it all comes together. Let's get started. Okay, let's bring my chair in here. First thing I'm going to do, as I normally do, is white out the dates. And I'm actually going to use my own date covers. And then I just realized, is it next week? Next week I'm off on the Friday and working the Saturday. So I'm not going to put Friday on here. The date that I'm going to put in, or the day of the week that I'll be putting in, is a Saturday. Maybe I need another sheet of the blackout dates, eh? Or do I just want to use these? I really like using the blackout. Ooh, those dots would work so well. I really like using the blackout dates, so I might grab another sheet. All right. Isn't it fun when you can do that because you own the sticker sheets? It's just me. All right, so I'm gonna place a pumpkin here, and I'm gonna combine it with a little bit of this green grid washi, because the color scheme today is gonna be like green and orange. Ooh, already like it. Then place this green pumpkin on that date with this washi. Ooh, already liking that. Then maybe a little bit of this. I think actually I'm going to save the alcohol ink for another part of this spread. I will put this pumpkin here, and then this ooh, I like that one. This tall rainbow, just like so, and then adding the washi accordingly. Some people have said that I make this look easy, but there's just this method that happens in my head that seems to work out really well. But then I feel like if I gave you guys like a glimpse into what actually happens in my head, you'd be like, ooh, not what we wanted to see, thanks. All right, so that top part working out well for me. I'm going to then put these down. So Monday. I know putting Saturday down is going to look so strange to all of you, but I have Saturday off, so that is going to go in there. Okay, and now let's move on to this middle section. I brought out the Jewel Tone Boxes sticker book because this actually works really well with the green and the orange in the pumpkin. So I'm gonna, how do I want to do this? I kind of use other inspirations or other spreads as inspiration here. Like I really like the look of that. Where else did I use boxes? Sure, there was another spread I used boxes, right? Yeah. Oh, okay. But I still used mild liner. I didn't even check to find a mild liner that would suit that color. Okay, so the way I'm gonna do this, and look, like they have the oranges that seem to match really well too, like peachy. And blues. I haven't used this sticker book in a while. Okay. And do they have checklists in here? I'm like expecting it all to be in here just because I want it to be in here. Put this down for Monday. then I'll put a green one down for Tuesday, because Tuesday is going to be a crazy meeting day. Then I'm going to alternate. And then put like the orange there. How many days do I have on Thursday? That works out. This has 6. So important. And then Saturday I might just leave as is, because it'll really just be like tasks and whatever. I could always put notes boxes, but I kind of like having the free flow of doing whatever. So I'm gonna actually take a green to-do box and just yeah, do it with this and combine it with some washi. Why not? Okay, then before I move on, I'm going to put at least one of these down. And I'm thinking right here. Yes, right here with a sunflower. Or is that too much? I feel like that might be too much. So maybe, oh, I don't remember how to put it back. Oh, there. Maybe a rainbow. This one's cute. Maybe a rainbow like it, and a little coarse washi. Okay, I prefer that, absolutely. Then in this corner down here, we'll have a big pumpkin. Actually combine it with a teeny tiny rainbow. And add this green. I'm just checking you can all still see what I'm doing. Okay. I thought I was going to add the sunflowers in here, but I don't think I will. Maybe in a different spread. Okay. And then I want to add the blackout to do stickers. Yeah, I'm gonna end up adding in the blackout to do stickers. And I want to also add a little bit. Thing is, I don't want to go too crazy as well, because if I do, I feel like I will too many stickers will just be too crazy for me. So I won't do that. Okay, then this one will be this washi. I actually really like decorating this. I feel like using the Archer and Olive allows me to be a little bit more creative and trying out really different ways of putting stickers down. Okay, and then I think that's the last of it, really. I don't want to add in too much more to that. I think I really like it the way it is, and then it'll give me a chance to be able to add in lots of notes, because next week there's a lot happening at work. So, all right. Whew. I like the green and the orange together. I really think it works. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.